going on, everybody? Just thought I'd do a quick little video here over what my Sandman bass rig is. You know, my best attempt to get the Sandman bass sound. So this isn't anything official, obviously. You know, I collected this information by reading blogs, people discussing stuff like talkbass.com. So anyway, let's get into it. So two important things I want to mention right off the bat is play with a glass slide and play with heavy gauge flat wound strings. So now to get into the more nitty-gritty details. So, you know, Sandman, he played his basses with two strings on them. So the high two strings, so D and G. Now this is a G string, that's not a G note, this is tuned up a whole step. So that's, I think that's the most common tuning for songs in the Morphine discography is D-A. That forms a power chord. It's not like that for all the songs, like Buena, for instance, I'm pretty sure is like C-G, so the D string is down a whole step. But I'm playing this with a short scale bass because the thing about tuning a G string up a whole step is you're putting a lot of tension on the string. So I would not recommend doing that for light gauge strings and or on like a long scale bass. You're probably going to break the string. See, did Sandman play short scale basses? I don't know. But anyway, so there's that. Now, as far as equalization goes, Sandman's main bass, the Waterstone, had a pickup right here next to the neck and right here next to the bridge. So you're picking up on the bass frequencies and the treble, so not much going on with the mids. Now, my bass is not like that. You know, I got a P pickup in the middle there. So I'm using an EQ pedal to, you know, raise the bass and treble frequencies there. Aside from that, let's see what else is there. If you have a tone knob, his tone's not super bright, you know, it's not super nasally. I mean, it's not super dark either, like, you know, reggae tone, but I would lean towards more towards the dark tone there. Yeah, that's about it. I don't know. I'm not really sure what kind of picks he used. I'm using a Jazz 3 pick here. I don't know if he used active or passive electronics, but action. So action, like that's another like whatever's comfortable kind of thing. I don't really think that affects the sound too much. I prefer low action, but with a low action, you risk like kind of hitting the frets here like that, and with a high action it's easier to, you know, keep your slide like on both the strings without kind of, you know, going over like that. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.